natin. So, good evening Ginebra at saka TNT Game 1. So, makikita natin that based from the score, Ginebra was only limited to 88 points. So, maganda yung depensa ng TNT. And TNT, maraming na ipasok na 3-point shots. So, yun yung pumatay sa Ginebra dahil yung kanilang defense, yung kanilang perimeter defense in a challenge. No? Dahil kumonekta yung pumasok o tumama na shoot yung mga 3-point shots na galing sa dribble drive offense ng TNT. So, yun yung sinasabi na accidental basketball kasi pumasok kaya maganda yung offer. Maganda yung offense kasi pumapasok. Pero pag hindi pumapasok yun, napakahirap din sa TNT. Kasi may mga instances na hindi pumapasok yung dribble drive, yung kick out sa 3-point shot or dun sa 4-point shot, hindi pumapasok. Di ba? Kaya RSJ is just passing the ball at kapag nakadepensa sila sa shooter, RSJ can just create his offense. So, ganun lang yung nangyari. Ang kagandahan doon, even Poy Aram hit threes. So, doon napabayaan ng Ginebra yun. Yung perimeter defense nila was questionable, was absent this game. Kasi even si Poy Aram na maganda na ang nilalaro inside, nakakatira pa from the outside. So yun lang yun. Wala namang problema yung yung defense lang ng Ginebra. And yun na nga yung sinasabi nga nila Coach Yeng ni Dean Kinito Henson at saka ni Magu, when Pogoy is tasked to defend Brownlee, he is taking away Brownlee's perimeter game. He is forcing Brownlee to be an inside player. Nangyari yun. Okay? Tinanggal nila yung source ng puntos ni Brownlee, which is yung 3-point shot or 4-point shot. Yeah, umiscore si Brownlee pero hindi niya laro yung post up. He can post up pero hindi talaga siya naglalaro. Hindi talaga siya naglalaro from the post. No, hindi talaga kumbaga convertible center siya. Hindi talaga siya yung literal na kagaya nila Marlo Aquino, kagaya nila Alvin Patrimonio na sa loob talaga, ilalim talaga naglalaro. Kasi anong ginagawa kay Brownlee? Deny siya and then pag nakatanggap siya ng bola, kinukuyog siya. So yun yung ploy ng TNT. Tinanggal nila si Brownlee doon sa kung saan siya malakas on offense, which is yung 3-point shot and 4-point shot. Kasi Brownlee was averaging 37% from the 4-point region. So yun pa lang, tinanggal na yun ni Coach Chot Reyes. So, hindi natin alam anong gagawin nila. Siguro, siguro, Brownlee was on the move. And then, pag na-foul si Brownlee, allow Brownlee to get his free throws. Kasi pag marami ng foul, halimbawa si Pogoy pa rin ang sa kanya, syempre may help defense yan. So, pag may help defense yan, mapipilitan ngayon yung TNT na mag-adjust kapag kasi Brownlee marami nang nakukuhanan ng foul sa TNT. Mag-a-adjust yan. Kasi Brownlee cannot find his offensive groove. Kasi hindi siya nakakatira from the tree. And most Ginebra players didn't shoot well this game. So yun pa yun. Literal na malas yung Ginebra at maganda ang laro ng TNT. Game 1 pa lang naman. So, yun lang po.